Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you 3 super easy hairstyles that you guys can do on your hair if your hair is dry and rough. So let's get started. So begin by taking a 2 to 3 inch section on either of the side. Then divide that section into 2 equal halves. We're going to be twisting it, so take the front section over the back section. Do that one more time and then add a section of hair from the front to the top section. And then take the lower section over the top section. Once again, you'll have a top section and a lower section. You have to take a section of hair from the front and add it to the top section. And then take the lower section over the top section. Basically, you're just twisting your hair, moving it towards the back. Once you are done doing this 3 to 4 times till you reach the top of your ear, then you just take the section and twist it around each other. So the lower section goes on the top section and the top section goes under the lower section. And you twist it this way all the way till the back. And then all you need to do is remove some hair and then secure that twist with 2 tic-tac pins. Cover it with some hair and you're done. So this way you keep your rough and dry hair towards the back, but you also have a really nice puff and braid on the side. Now for the second hairstyle, you need to begin by taking a middle parting like this. Take a small section on one side and split that into 3 equal halves. Take the front section under the middle section and then take the back section under the middle section. So this is super simple, like how you would do a regular 3-strand braid where you would be taking the section over the middle section. Here you take both the sections under the middle section. You will not be adding any hair from the front, you will only be braiding this section of hair. Pull on the braid slightly so that you open it up and it looks really nice and voluminous on the sides. Then what you have to do is take a little bit of the hair right above your ear and then just wrap that around the braid like this. Make sure that your braid is also showing so you can just pull on it to adjust it. Twist it and take it towards the back and secure it. Repeat the exact same thing on the other side. All you have to remember is that you need to take the sections under the middle section and not add any hair from the front. Just braid on that 2-inch section only. Twist a little bit of hair around the braid and take it towards the back and secure it. Okay, so for the third one, you need to take all your hair towards the back and then separate that into 3 equal halves. Do a regular 3-strand braid where you would be taking the right section over the middle section and then taking the left section over the middle section. Do that all the way till the end. Just pull on it slightly to open it up. Now what you need to do is just take the braid and turn it inwards. So my hair has a lot of layers, so whenever I do a braid, there is always a little bit of hair that sticks out, which is not a problem. But if your hair does not have layers, then these hairstyles will sit very neatly on your hair. Secure it with a few U-pins or bobby pins. And that's about it. This one's a really cute knot bun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell, share this video if you liked it, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!